I finally picked up all the PR from my old building, and I also got a few things this week, so let's open it up together. This package is from Rizo Curls. We have a biotin shampoo and conditioner. There's a microfiber hair towel, shampoo and conditioner. This one, okay, wait, this, okay, this is from Covergirl. I posted on my story how I like finished the one that I already had and how I'm obsessed with it, guys. So they sent me 5. I cannot tell you the amount of compliments that I get from this product. Like, people are like, your skin is so beautiful. And I'm like, no. Like, I literally have this on. Thank you. I am so happy. Coco Kind. I love Coco Kind. Their brand is just, their stuff is just so good. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I've been seeing this campaign everywhere. They've been doing a super cute, the world's first lip balm campaign. Oh my god. Okay, so wait. 5 of their new lip balm shades, which it's super, it's like, it's kind of giving road, not gonna lie. They have a bunch of charms to put on the lip balm. Oh my god, I'm gonna open one right now. Okay, and I'm obviously gonna put the G charm on it. I have to. I'm a Leo. I have to. Like, not even to be like the influencer that's like, stop, it's so cute, but stop, it's so cute. Oh, that's like a dark berry. There's an even darker shade too. Okay, let me see. Oh, wow. Oh, that's pretty. I love this. Okay, let me calm down. Okay. Oh wait, this is really cute. Okay. Stadium of nail polish. Outlast Forever Velvet Pigment. Look at the box, bro. Wait, is this a, these are, what am I saying? They're lipsticks. That's really cute. Okay. Look at that. Cute. There's 2 packages from L'Oreal Paris, but I don't know. I already opened one. Paradise, a big deal. Lash. No, it's different. It's different. They're highlighter sticks. Okay. Super cute. This shade looks so pretty. I would definitely use this one. Those are super cute. Living Proof. I love Living Proof. Their curl conditioner and shampoo. This looks different though. This is different. Maybe it's so that like in the shower you can tell the difference. I do mix them up in the shower sometimes. This is a big box for a smaller box. You can see I'm in Roku City right now. Bond Repair leave-in conditioner and repair oil. This feels like a mix between the Denman brush and like, I don't know what you call the other one, but you know the one that like I usually see it in like a teal color, and it has like, it's open like this, but the bristles are tough like a Denman brush. Cute. Here's a conditioner and oil. CeraVe. I love CeraVe's like marketing. They're so good at it. They're so good at it. Oh my god, so they have hair care now. Wait, guys, you have hair care now? You guys should hit me up. Oh my god, there's a shirt in here or something. Gentle hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Dandruff shampoo and conditioner. It has an Octo Buddy because mine broke. I had like a fake Octo Buddy from Amazon that was MagSafe, but it broke. So now I have one. Little phone ring light. Oh. L'Occitane. Micellar water and cleansing cream. Is that Sydney Sweeney? Volume mascara. 3 eye tints, which is cute. Let me save these for last because they're clothes. I love when I get fashion PR because I need help. These are from Garage, and I have been shopping at Garage since middle school. And so when they reached out to me and they're like, hey, can we send you PR? I was like, absolutely, yes, you can. Wait, that is so much stuff. Oh my god, I did not ask for this much stuff. I'm so excited. There's one more from Garage. It came with this cute note. I'm actually going to an event with them on Monday, so I'm gonna wear what's in this box. We have the blue tank. And it has the matching shorts for underneath. There's a sweatsuit that goes on top of it, so a sweatshirt. And like, look how it's like cinched at the bottom. I like that. That was everything though. I am so lucky. I am so grateful. This is kind of crazy. I'm so excited for these. Okay, yes, that's it guys. I'll see you guys for the next one.